Okay, to the right, to the right. Okay, right around there, good.
Okay, you wanna get a breather? So we're gonna go up and
So what needs to happen now is we need to get at least three muscles on this
So
side for sure.
Josh on this side and Ben.
Let the moose kind of fall into your arms.
Do you want me to spread the blankets out?
No, no, it won't slide. No, it's not heavy. And it's not as heavy as you think. You guys good?
well, we're still gonna need
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Okay, so tell me when you guys are ready, we'll
Have you guys got the weight?
Yep.
Okay, so
maybe these, if you can pull these straps out better.
you guys good with the weight? Okay, so now back towards the house behind you guys a bit so we get the wood on. Okay, hold on 1 second. You guys good? 1 second?
Oh,
now-
wow, easy to land up.
Just watch because
Watch
it's
his
real
ears.
tight there now, right?
Does it slide any more to the right?
Okay, put it down. You good?
Watch that ear.
We're good.
Look at that.
Wow! Nice work, gentlemen!
No, back, strap it down.